Hello, Square's Kitchen. How are you doing? How are you guys holding up? Well, I don't know about you, but I have fallen off the meal plan bandwagon. No joke, y'all. I have. So, here are some simple tips that I am going to use. 1. Don't go grocery shopping hungry. 2. Know what your family likes. Make what they like. Get them involved. And if they don't get involved, they don't like what's on a plate, then it's yes, you can take it, or yes, you can leave it. So, that would be that. Also, take it, I'm just going to go week by week, little does it, just get back in this. I didn't fall off overnight, and I'm not going to get back on it overnight either. So, I hope you guys are doing well.